Let us look at a problem that was given in UPSC CSAT Prelims 2017. As I was previously mentioning, these problems are purely based on common sense. Even mathematics student has to think that particular problem in the examination hall itself. Okay. Now, let us see. 6 boys A, B, C, D and F play a game of cards. Each has initially a pack of 10 cards. F borrows 2 cards from A and gives away 5 to C, who in turn gives 3 to B, while B gives 6 to D, who passes on 1 to E. Then the number of cards possessed by D and E is equal to the number of cards possessed by A, B and C, B, C and F, A, B and F, A, C and F. This is how he has given problem. Very common sense based problem. Now let us take like this. Initially A, B, C, D, E, F, they have each has 10 cards, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10 and 10. Now let us see what is the thing. F borrows 2 cards from A. This is the first step. F borrows. Here time is not a problem for you because you can have minimum of 3 minutes of time. You need to solve just 40 problems there in it. For 40 problems you find 120 minutes of time. Time is not a constraint here. So F borrows 2 cards from A. That means F possesses plus 2. For A means A is reduced by 2. Then and gives away 5 to C. F gives away 5 to C. That means C is gaining by 5 whereas F is losing 5. F borrows 2 cards from A and gives away 5 to C, who in turn gives 3 to B. That means C gives 3 to B. C gives means C is foregoing 3 cards but B is gaining by those 3 cards. And then next, while B gives 6 to D, that means B is losing 6 cards and D is gaining by those 6 cards. Who passes on 1 to E? Now he is saying D passes on 1 to E. That means D is foregoing 1 card and E is gaining by 1 card. Now the entire operation is now over. Then the number of cards possessed by D and E. Now let us see what is the number of cards each and every one has here. So 10 minus 2, 8, B 10 plus 3 minus 6, 7, C 10 plus 5 minus 3, 12, D 10 plus 6 minus 1, 15, E 10 plus 1, 11, F 10 plus 2 minus 5, 7. What is the number of cards possessed combinedly by D and E? D and E he is saying. D and E put together 15 plus 11, 26 cards. Number of cards possessed by D and E together is 26. So what is that number equal to? A, B and C. A is 8, B is 7, C is 12. Is it equal to 26? That is our question. No, it is 27. So it is not, it cannot be the answer. B, C and F. B is 7, C is 12, B is 7, C is 12 and F is 7. That means it is equal to 7 plus 7, 14, 14 plus 12 is 26. So D and E possess 26, B, C and F possess 26 is equal to the number of cards possessed by B, C and F. So this is the answer.